frequently asked questions for the Amazon Influencer Program. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so in this video, I'm going to do rapid fire, frequently asked questions for the Amazon Influencer Program. Let's get started. What is the Amazon Influencer Program? Basically, in a nutshell, the Amazon Influencer Program is an affiliate program where people can sign up for free, and all you have to do is create product review videos, upload them to Amazon, and you will earn a commission for it. There are also other ways within the Amazon Influencer Program, but this is the main way that most people are trying to get into it for. How many followers do you need? So Amazon doesn't state how many followers you actually need, but through speculation and people talking around town and all that, it's between 2,000 to 3,000, but ideally you want to lean on the 4,000 to 5,000 just to be safe. Is this program free? Yes, this program is completely free. There is no paid subscription. You can sign up and get in, but you do need to be manually approved. Is the Amazon Associate Program the same? So it's under the same umbrella as affiliate marketing and making money with Amazon, but it is a slightly different program. So when you are in the Amazon Influencer Program, it has to do with videos. The Amazon Associates Program has to do with links, but they are under the same dashboard when you sign in, and when you are approved for the Amazon Influencer Program, you actually have access to both. Do I have to purchase the products to review on Amazon? No, technically you can already review the stuff that's in your home, and you don't need to purchase products initially. Can I purchase products and then return them? No. You can probably do that the first time, but if you just continuously purchase products on Amazon and then just return them, they're gonna catch on and they'll likely terminate your account or ban your account or do something to it. Amazon's pretty smart, and if you do this more than 2-3 times, they're gonna catch on. Can you actually make money with this program? Yes, you can. So I've been doing this since mid-April, and since then I've done about $5,000. Can you do this program if you're living outside of the US? Yes, you can. So I'm actually here in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, and I've heard of other people who are in the United Kingdom, Australia. Basically, if you can sign up with the Amazon Influencer Program and it allows you with the country that you've chosen, you can get paid by Amazon, and you can do this for the Amazon.com Influencer Program. Is this considered passive income? So to me, personally, no, it does not fall under passive income because you need to film videos. You need to find products, you need to film videos. Is this easier than other things to make money? Yes, but it's not passive. And in general, you always have to do something upfront, whether it be paying with your time or paying with money upfront to get the passive income. Now, if I didn't do anything for, let's say, like a month, and I'm still earning commissions from the Amazon Influencer Program, then yeah, for that month it would be considered passive for that month because I didn't actually do anything, but you do need to put in the work up front to get this going, and it does require a bunch of videos to start making the affiliate commissions from the Amazon Influencer Program. Do I recommend this for anyone and everyone trying to make money online? Actually, yes, this is one of the very few things that I would recommend to most people if they're just getting started online, because it does have generally a low barrier of entry and it doesn't take much of a learning curve, meaning it's not that difficult to learn. There are way harder things to learn online, like doing a YouTube channel. So I would recommend this to the general public. All right, so that wraps it up for the frequently asked questions for the Amazon Influencer Program. If you are interested in getting started, I do have a course called The Profitable Reviewer. The link will be down in the description below. Like I mentioned, I've made about $5,000 so far and I'm climbing. I want to get this to $10,000, $15,000, 20,000, sky's the limit for me. If you want to see how I'm doing this, head down to the description below where I'll have a link to the course for you to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.